Hello class, this is Omar again, and this is my informative speech, and it is on social media. What is social media? Social media is a collective term for websites and apps that focus on communication, community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaborations. People use social media to stay in touch and interact with friends, family, and various communities. Social networks specialize in connecting and exchanging thoughts, ideas, and contact with other users, often with users who share the same interests. Facebook and Twitter are examples of social networks, although more professional than others. There are various different types of social media networks. There's social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. There's media sharing networks like Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. There's discussion forums like Reddit and Quora. There's bookmarking and content creation networks like Pinterest, consumer review networks like Yelp and TripAdvisor, blogging and publishing like Tumblr. There's also social shopping networks and interest-based networks. Social media part 2. While many of us enjoy using social media, excessive use can cause anxiety, depression, and isolation. We as human beings are social creatures. We need the companionship of others to thrive in life, and the strength of our connection has a huge role on our mental health and happiness. Being socially connected to others can ease stress, anxiety, and depression, boost our self-worth, provide comfort and joy, prevent loneliness, and even add years to our lives. Lacking strong social connections can cause a serious risk to both your mental and emotional health. In the world we live in today, everyone relies on social media. While each has its benefits, it is also very important to remember that social media can never replace real-world human connections. Social media enables you to communicate and stay up to date with family and friends around the world, find new friends and communities, raise awareness on important issues, seek or offer emotional support during sad times, find social connections, find an outlet for your creativity, discover valuable information. And here's a picture of most of the social media apps I use. Facebook, I be on Facebook just to see what all my friends are up to, see all the posts and stats, and sometimes I save memes because I love memes. Memes are pretty funny. On Instagram, I kind of do the same thing, but I rarely post on there. I post like once a month. I post a picture that I really like on Instagram, but other than that, I don't do much. I like stuff on Instagram, like my friend stuff, just stuff like that. I do not have Twitter. I heard Twitter is a pretty wild place, so that's why I don't got it. On TikTok, I say that's probably my most used social media app. It's a very, very good time on TikTok, It's a whole lot of funny content. I always share and upload it to my Snapchat, which I also use. Snapchat might be my second favorite social media app. I do the same thing on Snapchat. I don't post a lot. I just post a lot of funny stuff and funny content. But yeah, that is my informative speech. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you.